this is what we just are heading into. It is crazy lightning, as you can see. It is a thunderstorm of magnitude that I can't even put on a scale. And we're gonna sit here and we're gonna wait for it because Tammy wants to see how crazy it can get. Look at that, look at this stuff, this is amazing. She didn't want me to film this, but I'm filming it anyway. And it's just getting, look at, it's just amazing. The lightning's hitting the ground, and oh, that was a big one right next to me. It's just some cool shit. It's nuts. And it's coming, the wind is blowing towards me, and as you can see, we're going this way, and it is catching us. I've been trying to stay ahead of it, but it's too massive of a storm, and it will catch us eventually. And Tammy, any last words for your children? Go ahead, Tammy. Tammy.
Get in the car. We have no internet service.
We don't need it.
Get your beep in the car.
See, she's scared. She's scared. She don't want to act scared, but she's terrified of this monster of a storm. The lighting is just unreal. I don't know if you guys could see this. This might be my last post. As you can see, everybody's heading out of Amarillo terrified. The truck drivers are driving 100 miles an hour. And we're gonna sit here for a little while longer, just a little while. And I'm trying to get as much good footage as I can of this storm. It's just so crazy. Look at the lightning. It's just lighting up the sky.